Let's get started. So as we see here, the technique that we are going to discuss is all from 9 and the last from 10, and this is a technique to do subtraction in the easier way. So a lot of times we find the numbers which are bigger and we need to do the borrowing from the neighboring number, and normally kids always miss the neighboring number, borrowing from the neighboring number. For example, let's say I need to do minus 467. So for kids it is very much confusing that you borrow one number from here all the way to here and it becomes 10 here, and all other number becomes 9. Then you say 10 minus 7 is equal to 3, then 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, then 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and then 9 minus 0 is equal to 9, and this is your answer. So what I am telling is that instead of doing this, we can use this simple principle. Actually we're using the same principle, but I want to tell you that use this principle in a different way so that kids understand better. So when we are doing 10,000 minus 467, so make sure that kids only think about these zeros, and to make similar number here, these are 4 numbers here, to make it 4 numbers here, 0, 4, 6, 7, and now apply the principle all from 9 and last from 10. So all from 9, I will simply start subtracting from here. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, and this is my last number now. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So my answer is 9533. So that's all. So that is how this formula comes into picture. Once kids start practicing, they actually need not to write it also like this. This way they need not to write, rather they can do it on their mind itself. Let's do another example. Let's say I want to do 10,000 minus 8942. So if you do in conventional way, what will happen is you first borrow 10 here. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Then 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Then 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. But if this has to be done as a mental mathematics, then what you need to do is 10,000 minus 8942. Here you need not to bother about this number now. You just think about there are 4 zeros here and here there are 4 numbers, so that's all, and apply the principle all from 9 and last from 10. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and last is 2, so 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. That's all is my answer. So here if you see the division, the subtraction happens like this, but here the subtraction happens like this. And it is easier because kid need not to think about this number, just blindly say all from 9, last from 10. We can check another example also. Let's say now a smaller number, 100 minus 89. So you just need not to remember this, you just say 2 zeros here, 2 numbers here, that's all. So all from 9, so 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, and last from 10, so 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, so answer is 11. So I think good enough example you got. I will give you some practice exercise. Please do try, and tell kids also to try that out, and I am pretty much sure that they will find it very useful and simple concept. Thank you.